dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Falta una. I don't know which one is it. It's fine. All right, everybody. How are you? Can everybody hear me? One, two. One, two. All right. All right, everybody. Here we go. Um, this is um, this is me. I'm gonna close more of this goal short. So I have five micro contracts on each account. Eight. Uh-huh.
Order filled.
Actually, I am going to. No, I'm gonna leave this one running. So how's everybody doing? Pretty nice goal long that we got during unemployment claims and CPI, PPI. I'm sorry. This was um, I'm in range here, so I'm gonna show you here. This was the long on gold. We bought it around here. Now, on the futures account, I did not get stopped out of break even, but on CFDs, I did, which is okay, I guess. Now, nice move on gold. I'm gonna go to the 50-minute chart. Um, I don't know where I'm gonna close the rest of it. Pretty nice day for me. 2,500 across all accounts. Oh, I'm gonna exit here.
Order filled.
Um, yeah. So let's see what we can do here, and I'm gonna close this one too. Um, all right. So this is a 150K account evaluation from Top Step that normally the target is 9K, which I already made him, right? But I didn't know that um, you cannot have a winning day more than 50% of your target, and I did. So I have to do an extra 3 or 4K on this account. If I hadn't done that, I would be funded 150K for futures trading. And on this 8 accounts, the target is 20K, and I'm up 5K. And I started trading these accounts on Monday. So yeah, we are on a good pace to get funded $2.4 million, because I mean these are eight evaluation accounts, right? 300K evaluation accounts. When I hit 20K, right, in profits, I'm gonna get funded eight 300K real accounts, which is 2.4 million. That's the goal. That's the goal. And yeah, let's have a look at what we have here. Pretty nice fade on gold here. That I now the reason that I didn't send this as a signal is because it was a little bit aggressive on my part, and well, I started my position with if you saw here, I mean, I don't think you saw here. On this account, I had 12 micro contracts. short gold, but I started with three, right? So I scaled in as price was running my direction, and doing that is just I just can't send that management or that trade as a signal because I mean it moves so fast that if you see the message to add to the position or to sell gold at market 2 minutes later probably you will if this is the 1 minute chart and I entered here for example you will be entering here and adding here so your average would be very, very fucked up. So, what I'm going to do, um, starting next week, everything that I do here on these accounts, I'm gonna do live. So, for as long as I'm trading, for as long as I am in front of my charts, I'm gonna keep this live session open for everybody. I mean, it's going to be free, and if you want to join and follow my trades, this is the place. Right. So, any questions? Right now, I mean, I was looking also possibly at. There we go. I'm gonna show you. So, U.S. equities. I mean, I don't know why this is. This chart is. I don't. I know why. Hold on. I need to go to the June contracts. There you go. So, pretty nice liquidation of the highs on U.S. equities. But I didn't. I didn't see any setup to go short here. Possibly, I was looking at this imbalance right here, but because I was very focused on fading gold, fading the pumping gold. I didn't pay much attention, and I wouldn't have gotten triggered here. And also, if you notice, I mean, this move is just so choppy, just like yesterday's. If you were here, good morning, Godspeed Freeman. Yesterday afternoon, when we were trading gold during, after the Fed rate decision, and during the press conference on which um, I lost that trade, but it doesn't matter. But if you remember, uh, I think it was a Nasdaq. The Nasdaq mitigated my point of interest and then moved to the downside, but it was a very choppy move. So, personally speaking, I just hate trading choppy moves, and more often than not, if I get triggered on a trade and price action is just not or doesn't have enough momentum to my on my direction, I'm gonna close my trade or possibly get stopped out of break even because it's not the same trading the short side here on the E-mini S&P 500 than fading or what I just did, fading this gold. And again, this is the same, not strategy, but it's the same entry model um, that I traded during or after CPIs, on which I also faded, you know, the volatile move to the upside by trading gold. It's the same thing, this. I'm gonna call it strategy. I don't know if I should call it strategy because it's not. But the data shows me that whenever we have a big news-induced move, right, either to the upside or to the downside, really doesn't matter. In gold, um, fading the move is quite profitable. So, yeah, this is going to be a short live session because I'm not going to place any more trades. I don't think so. Maybe we should buy some coffee futures. Oh, you know what? Let's have a look at. Here we go. So, the max um, drawdown or the max um, drawdown on these evaluation accounts is just $7,500. So it's very tight, and it trails. It trails. So I don't know why it's 74.96. I don't know, but it's super tight, right? So again, it's a 300k. These are 300k accounts, but I can't risk. I mean, I'm risking about 500 to 600 per trade, um, because of that particular rule. Let's have a look at how it looks. Yeah, so this is my P&L on the chart. Hey Miguel Horta, ¿cómo estás? This is my P&L on, I mean, on this particular account, but it's the same because I use a copy trader here on Trade08 that copies all of the trades. I mean, for example, I'm going to show you. If I were here to buy, if I wanted to buy gold, right, 10 micro contracts, um, I'm going to put 80 here, and I'm going to place a buy, and then it's going to copy on all of the accounts 10 micro per account, but I'm not going to do that. So let's go through, you know, the performance on this account. So this is insane. Just have a look at my winning ratio or my win ratio, 36.36%, and my losing trades is 63.64%. Now, this week, huh? Right. So, my bad. It's 51.47 and 45.59. So this week I am up. So apparently I started on a drawdown. Let's have a look at this because I didn't know that. Oh yeah, I started on a 1300 drawdown, if you can see here. But I quickly managed to recover that. So my win ratio is almost 50. I mean 50-50, right? 49.37% winning trades and 48.10 losing trades. But the most important thing is that I cut my losers very soon, and I add to my winners and I let them ride. Let's have a look at some more data here. P&L, time of the day. So apparently I should not be trading at 5:30 a.m. Um, Account balance history. So this is pretty cool. Let's have a look at this. Average winning trade is $331. Average losing trade is $190. For a 300k account is very, very, very mild, right? So I'm not trading huge positions. Now, my largest winning trade was $2,900, and that was today on on this gold move. You know, my entry was around here, a very aggressive entry, and my stop losses were at break even. And yeah, because I was trading futures, right? I did not get stopped out because if you notice here on CFDs, you got this week where I did get stopped out. So I closed my trades around this level just after that big volatile move, and that is why my largest winning trade is $2,900. Largest losing trade, $930. I think that was a mistake. I know the trade exactly. Mm. Another thing that I don't like is this drawdown here. I don't know why I have it. Oh, yeah, I understand. I remember. What another thing that I don't like is this drawdown right here. So um, my focus right now is on. I think that this was yeah, no, this was today. Yeah, London session trading gold. I remember that. So yeah, today I overtraded these accounts, and yeah, after that I recovered with you know that gold trade and then fading the gold move. But yeah, I need to focus on not trading the London session because it's not profitable for me. Now, what else? P&L history. So, oh, this is cool. My largest losing day was $930. Let's not count today. But my average winning day is about what? Yeah, 900 to $1,000. That's okay. Yeah, we could go over the data again and again and again. And the other thing is this. I mean, this is the account number six, right? It's the equity. It's 305,000, right? But if you look at the account number one, it's 304. Account number two is 305. Account number three, 303. So yeah, I do get slipped, and I mean the copy trader is not perfect, and that sucks because if I manage to, I mean, when I get to when I hit the target, right, the 20K profit target, I'm not gonna hit it on all accounts, right? So I don't know what I'm gonna do when well, I'll figure it out when I get there. So yeah, I mean, I'm showing you this because because this is a big bet on myself. You know, these accounts are expensive, and I think that betting on yourself is something that everybody should do. But I mean, this is not the first time that I have bought, challenge accounts or evaluation accounts. I have blown a ton of them. I got funded 50K on one forex prop firm, and 100K on another one, and I lost both accounts. So I wasn't ready, but now I am, right? And also, making the transition from forex to futures is not that easy because I mean, if you notice here, yeah, I mean, the markets that I trade is the U.S. dollar and the Japanese yen. But trading the Japanese yen futures is, I mean, it sucks, right? I'm not gonna do that. So With with this futures account, I'm not gonna trade the Japanese yen. The past 3 months, I've spent um, transitioning and gathering data on the markets that I'm going to trade. And basically, what I'm going to trade is gold and the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, and that's it. And the Euro futures because I do trade the US dollar, and this is basically the Euro USD on futures contract. So these are the four markets that I'm gonna trade. I know I have Bitcoin here because I just like to watch it, right? But I don't trade it. And also I have, coffee. What is this? I don't even know. Corn, etc. Soybeans. But because I like to watch it. I've never spent time watching these markets. And I'm not gonna trade agricultures either because I don't understand those markets. I don't know why they move, how they move, and yeah. But I just like to watch them. So, hi Orlando, what's the name of the software you use to copy your trades? So, uh, this Tradeovate is a broker. It's a futures broker, and this prop firm, right, uses this broker, right, to fund their traders, and the copy trader, right, it's inside. It's free and it's inside. I just need to create a group um, with all the accounts and we'll trade the group. Oh boy, what did I do? I don't know. Oh, and trade the group. So it's not a software. It's a copy trader that is within the platform. Hola, bamboo. But yeah, so this is just uh, just to invite you to trade with me if you want, right? If you want. I never said that I'm the best trader ever at all. Sometimes I cut my trades too soon. Sometimes I get stopped out of break even, and because I move my stop losses to break even way too soon, etc. But if you like what I do, you're more than welcome to join me every single day here. I'm gonna share the link whenever I sit down in front of my charts, and yeah, it's a good thing we can talk about the markets, etc. And maybe, just maybe, that'll help me not to overtrade my accounts. So here's the thing, right? Um, Trade report, right? This is the 150K account. Uh, I started trading this about 3 days ago, and I already hit the targets 9K, but but I made uh, the mistake of hitting 6.4K on one day, and I didn't know that. Best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits. So I have to make an extra $3,900 on this account. Shit. I didn't know that, but you know what? It is what it is. Now I know. So, guys, yeah, I'm pretty happy and pretty excited about this particular challenge that I put myself into, and yeah, I want to share it with everybody. So I'm going to be an open book. I'm going to show all my trades, all my losses, all my winners, etc. Live here, right? Every single day. So that's it for me. Um, Have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.